Hey everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun new packing video for you guys featuring the JuJuBe BFF and the new Queen of the Nile print. Now, JuJuBe did release this print a few years ago. It had a different colored lining and it had different hardware. So basically I want to show you guys the new updates that they did to this print, but also I want to show you a packing video of how I have the JuJuBe BFF packed for my son for potty training. Because it has been a little while since I've done a video on the BFF, and it is one of my favorite JuJuBe bags because it's super versatile, I love that it's convertible, and I just love the way it packs. So let's go ahead and get started. If you're not familiar with the BFF, as I mentioned before, it's a convertible bag. So let's start with the back of the bag. You have two nice cushion straps. These straps have some mesh padding on the back here, so it helps a little bit with breathability. These straps can be completely removed and tucked away inside the bag, and you can use this bag as a messenger style bag too if you want. So here is that. This is the messenger strap. This bag also comes with a memory foam change pad, which looks like this. You can usually keep this either inside the bag, or I like to keep it in the very back pocket here. We're kind of past the point of needing change pads these days because we are potty training, so that's been great. It's one less thing in my diaper bag is all. On the very top here, you have a very nice grab handle. It is one of my favorite ones on all the JuJuBe bags. It has a great height to it, so you can just literally put your hand in there and grab and go, so I love it. You have two pockets on each side of the bag, a front compartment that has a double zipper opening that goes all the way down. It is gusseted on the inside, so your stuff won't just fall out. You have a nice double zipper mommy pocket here and a tech pocket on the front. Real quick, I want to zoom in on the new hardware so you guys can see what it looks like on this print. So this is the new JuJuBe hardware for the Legacy line. I believe it is for the rest of the Legacy line, and I love it. It is a brushed gold. It is no longer that shiny gold that gets scratched easily. This, I feel like, is going to hold up really well. It looks really pretty. What it looks like on the pool. They also put on the new JuJuBe logo. So it's really, really nice. I think it looks so much classier than that shiny gold. So now that I've gone over that, let's go ahead and do the packing portion of this video. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the bottle pockets. On this side, I have a Swell Traveler bottle. I believe this is a 12 ounce. Yep, 12 ounce Swell Traveler bottle, and that fit in the side pocket no problem. On the other side here, I have my sunglasses in a case. So this is a Madewell case, it's super cute. In the tech pocket here, I just have my iPhone 8 Plus, and it's standing straight up and down in this pocket here. And this is a felt-lined pocket. So if you wanted to keep a small camera down in there, or your phone, or your watch, or something, you know, that's a little bit more delicate that you don't want getting scratched, this is a great pocket for that. Let's jump on into the mommy pocket. So this is the JuJuBe BFF mommy pocket. That's what it looks like on the inside. I'm not utilizing a lot of the pockets in here because I have my own way that I like to set up the BFF pocket. So on the key fob here, I have my keys. Next to that, I have my small set piece in Queen of the Nile. And here I just have a few things for myself, like chapstick, lotion, a mirror, a hairbrush, and a hair tie. In the pocket over here, I like to keep my wallet in there. This is the Kate Spade Cara wallet. It's a pretty thick wallet, but it's kind of short, but it does fit really great in this pocket if that gives you an idea of size. And that's literally all that I had in here, but you guys can see you have a small zippered pocket here, your key fob, a gusseted pocket here, an equally sized gusseted pocket here, and you have a little sunglass case, or you could put your regular glasses in there if you wanted to. And that's the mommy pocket of the BFF. So let's go ahead and get into the inside portion of this bag. The BFF is one of my favorite JuJuBe bags to pack because for me it just comes so easy. And it just feels like it's really made for all the JuJuBe set pieces, be quicks, like all the accessories seem to fit great in this bag. So I love that. Also, I have my Fobs by Andrea fob. This is a very old one, you guys. I've had it for like 5 years. But I love it so much, and it just goes so great with Legacy stuff. So I had to whip it out today and put it on this bag because it just looks so cute on there. So I love that. Let's go ahead and open it up. So this is how I have the inside packed up. As I mentioned, it has the gussets on the sides here, so your stuff doesn't just fall out all over the place. And that is what makes this bag an excellent stroller bag. It is one of my favorite bags to use on a stroller because You can literally just unzip it and access your things immediately without worrying about things falling out, without having to take it off your back, like all that stuff. It's great. So you have these two clear front pockets on the front here. You can use them for whatever you want that will fit in there. But I have my son's iPod in here. This is just a little iPod with games and shows and things like that if we get in a pinch and we need some entertaining. So that is for him. Right in front of that, I have my planner. This is a Planner Babe Shine Planner. I did a review on this. If you guys would like to watch that, I'll link it right over here for you guys. But this is a great planner. I love it. So this is how I currently have my bag set up. And you will notice it's a little different from the last video I posted of potty training and how to pack for that. And I'll link that right over here for you guys. My son has progressed to doing better and better and better, so I don't need to pack as much as I did in that last video. So I want to go through the Be Cool first because this is a newer style for the Queen of the Nile print. But besides that, it's also one of my favorite new bags from JuJuBe, and it is so adorable in this print, you guys. I just love it. So let's go through that first. The Be Cool is an insulated lunch box. It comes with this little pocket on the front here. You can put snacks down in there. You can put bottles in here if you want to. In here I just have a few snacks for myself and for my son. So he has a water, a fruit pouch. I have some almonds for myself, yogurt raisins for him, a juice box, and then I also have a granola bar down in there. So that is what I had on the left-hand side of the bag. Getting back onto the inside here, standing up on the right-hand side over here, I have a large set piece in Queen of the Nile. In here I just have a change of clothes for my son, so I have a long sleeve top, some socks, and some pants. And I would suggest if your child is not 100% there yet or still has accidents and things, bring an extra pair of shoes too, just in case. My son is doing good enough now where I don't really worry about it. Behind that, I have a Lilly Jade medium-sized packing case. And I just thought this looked really cute with this bag. But these are amazing cases. One of the things I love about them so much is that they're clear on the front, so you don't have to open it to talk about it or to see what's inside. So I have a little baggie dispenser down here that's in case there is an accidental poopy mess that needs to be contained somehow. I also have a Little Learners by Ggb. This is a training pants. When I go out and about with my son right now, I still have him in training pants just in case, so that we don't have to deal with any messes, really. And it's been a lifesaver, you guys. It's great. And then I also have a Baby Olay wet bag here to contain a mess, just in case he leaks through onto his clothes and things. So that is just a must-have if you are potty training. So this is what the inside of the BFF looks like, basically almost all empty. And you guys can see the new lining that JuJuBe has added. This used to be a mushroom color that was specific to the Legacy line. And now it is a nice medium to dark gray silver color. It also comes with this pretty embossed look to it. And I'll get a little closer so you guys can see a little bit better. So hopefully you guys can see that it has a little bit of an embossed look to that. But I did want to zoom up on that real quick so you guys could see the color well. It's really pretty. So in the side pocket over here, I just have a little pack of M&Ms. This is my bribery trick for when we're out and about. If my son does really well when we go to the potty in public, then he gets a little M&M. And it's been great. But he's been doing so well recently, we haven't even really been doing this anymore. But it's really just a special treat for doing it out in public. And if I want a little snack, there's something there. But there's also two great size pockets back here. If you are diapering your child, this is a great place for diapers and wipes. It's just the right size. So I have my wipes back here. This is a Wipe Pouch 30. I do like to keep wipes around still, just in case. You never know. There's also two zippered pockets in the very back here, and I don't keep anything in there, and there's nothing in this side pocket here. But that is the inside of the BFF, you guys. Such a great bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. And if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe while you're here. Also, if you guys would like to order this particular new print, it is releasing today at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on the JuJuBe website, and I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you if you'd like to shop through me. I would love that. Let me know down in the comments below what you plan to order from this release. I'd love to know. Thanks for watching.